Hi kids, happy morning to all. In the last videos, in large number, how we are going to categorize the number in Indian system. How we will read the number name and the respective expanded form for the number, successor, predecessor and ordering numbers. All these categories we have seen in Indian system of numeration. Today's class, it's new system, that is nothing but international system of numeration. Okay children, so in this class we are going to see what is international system of numbers, how the numbers are categorized over there. In international system of numbers, the numbers are grouped into three periods. In international system of numbers, the numbers are grouped in three periods: ones, thousands and millions. Come along with me. Ones, thousands, millions. So the number is categorized into three periods. In ones period, three numbers, three digits: ones, tens, hundreds. These three places come into the period of ones. The next period is nothing but thousands period. Over there, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. This three category will go into thousands period. Next, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions will move to millions period. So after 10,000 in Indian system we will go for lakh. Here that one more is there, that is 100,000. So remember that ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. These are the categories we have categorize the numbers. Now they have given a number, we have to insert comma using international system and we have to write the number name. Shall we children? First, after three places I have to insert first comma. What are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next to hundreds place I have inserted comma. Next, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. See, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So in international system, after every three digits I have to insert comma. Now write the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Yes. So how many millions? 2 million. So how can I read this number? 2,358,924. I will read again. 2,358,924. Shall we write the number name? 2,358,358. What place it is? It is in which period? 1000 period. 58,000s. 924. So first we have to insert comma according to international system, then we can go. Next number, shall we insert comma? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Write the place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. How many million? 8,340,261.
340,261.
See, this is the place value according to international system. Again I will say, come along with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, next we are going to compare Indian system and international system. We are going to compare both the system. What is the difference? That we are going to see. Indian system, international system. Once both the places are same. One's place, the next place is tens, hundreds, thousands till 10,000. These places were same in both system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 till this both the systems have a same place value. Come to the Indian system. Next place is nothing but here lakhs. In Indian system we used to call it as lakhs, but in international system we are call it as 100,000. So 1 lakh is nothing but 1 lakh equal to 100,000. According to this, okay. Now different types of sum they have given. They used to give the numbers in Indian system. We have to write in international system. They have given the number in Indian system. They have written the commas in Indian system. We are going to change in international system. What is the difference for international system? After every 3 digits, I have to insert comma. So what I am going to do first, I am going to write the number first. Without comma, write the number 830375. Now we will go for inserting comma in international system. International system. Ones, tens, 100. After 3 digits, insert a comma. So now it has changed into international system. The next question also they have given in Indian system. We are going to convert in international system. First write the number without comma 302465. Now insert comma. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. That is easy, children. Yes. Okay. The next is the question is given in international system. We have to write in Indian system. The question they have given in international system. How I am telling this is international system? See here. After 3 digits, they have insert comma. So first, write the number without inserting comma. Now we are going to insert comma using Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Understand, children? First only 3 digits, the rest of the digits and all 2 places. Yes, in Indian system. Here come for the next sum. While practicing, you will get, children. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is the way you have to categorize the number in international system as well as Indian system. Practice well, children. Thank you all.